much for joining me. In today's video, I have my update for I Heart the 90s Project Pan. This was created by Laura, and she created 40 prompts, I think, all about the 90s. They are so much fun. I was a teenager in the 90s. I graduated high school in 1996, so I can remember the 90s more than I can remember some of the 80s. I mean, I can remember some things about the 80s like Strawberry Shortcake and Cabbage Patch Dolls, but some of it is a little bit out of my wheelhouse. But anyway, so you pick 8 to 10 products and you work on them. It's rolling style, you set your own goals, etc., etc. It is a Fantastic Ladies collab, so all of the information will be linked in the description box down below per usual. I have some stuff, some stuff to talk about. So I am going to be looking down at my computer in my spreadsheet. I'm going to have to make this bigger. I cannot see that. There we go. Okay. So let's start with the first one, which is Macarena, a Latin-owned brand. And I had brought in this. This is just the 10 Miracle Leave-In Light leave-in conditioner. It was $184 last update. It's now $173. I use this as a detangler. My hair has gotten really long, but it's also really fine and really frizzy. So I will spray this in the ends when I'm out of the shower and I comb through it. So I enjoy this, but I also have the ones from Garnier that I like better. It's the Oat Delicacy. I really like that one. I actually have 2 of them. So once I finish with this, then we'll move on to that. But this is, I'm gonna guess, probably about halfway done. But yeah, so goal is to finish. Next is our first empty. And this is, where is it? I have all of my products beside me. And I didn't count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Okay, so this is I Will Always Love You, a product that has been a holy grail for a long time. I brought in this. This is the Ulta Brow Gel. You heard me count how many uses I got. I believe this was opened before I started it. So if you saw my March empties, you saw this in there, but I really enjoy it. I have another one that I'm going to save until I can get through some of the ones I don't really enjoy. But yeah, but I've gone red. I don't know how well you guys, well, you can see it right there. So I've started using something that's a bit more, a different color. This is a bit more kind of ashy brown, and I've gone real warm for spring and summer. So this is our first empty, and it's going in empties bin. Next, No Scrubs, a product that you want out of your life. I brought in this. This was also in my March empties. This is the Body Shop Chamomile Waterproof Eye and Lip Makeup Remover. Please don't buy this and expect it to take off waterproof makeup. It barely takes off any kind of makeup. I really hated this. I know a lot of people say that the balm is better, but this was not. I didn't like it. So this is an empty, and I am happy to see it go. Next is the Sixth Sense, a product that surprised you, and I brought in this. This is the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit. I've worn this 4 times, and I said that it surprised me because it looks, to me, it looks like a completely different color out of the tube than it does in the tube. It's really pretty. This isn't like this hasn't gone off, but it's a really kind of gritty formula, which is kind of weird. So maybe it has gone off. But I really enjoy the color. Am I wearing this today? No, I'm not wearing this today. But anyway, I really enjoy the color. I believe my goal for this is to finish. We'll see how we do. So that is sticking around, and it can go back in the drawer. All right, guys, for the next prompt, it's the Lion King, and that's a Black-owned beauty brand. So I had initially brought in the Colored Rain palette, but I've since decided to pass that along to Danny. So I'm going to bring in my Glam Light Red Velvet Cupcake palette. Yeah, it's another eyeshadow. My goal is going to be to hit pan in this kind of berry purple shade. It's really pretty. And I need another eyeshadow in a project, like I need a hole in a head, but these are normally pretty, they're kind of pretty easy to hit pan on. Look at that. And plus I'm not working on this particular color in like in any other palette or in my singles, and I think this will look beautiful during the 30 days of purple. So we're going to bring this in to hit pan in one shade. Okay, so next was the Titanic, and that was flip a coin. Heads, it was, where am I? Heads, it's high-end. Tails, it was a drugstore product, and I just did 1 and 2, and I ended up picking this. This is the Hourglass Blush in Dim Infusion. My goal was to use this 10 times. I have done that. This is not very pigmented, so I'm considering putting this in, and that's expensive, maybe next year, and see if I can pan it. So we'll see. So that is another one done. Next, Friends, a product you took a break from using, then got back into using it, and I had brought in this. This is the Beekman Dream Booster drops. This is their retinol. You can see where we were and where I am now. I had stopped using this last fall because my skin lost its brain and I didn't want to make anything irritated. If you're someone who wants to like dip their toes into a retinol, this is a retinol alternative that I really enjoy, and I actually felt the difference the first time I used it. I use this every single night except for the nights I'm exfoliating, and I absolutely love it. It looks like a tiny bottle, but I need to go back and look. I think I've been using this since November. So I'm telling you, I use it at least 5 days a week. So really good. I really like it. My goal is to finish. Maybe these will be done by the end of the month. Oh no. I honestly do not know. Okay. Next we have Bop It, a product that with packaging that twists, pumps, or pulls. And I brought in this. This is the Touch in Sol No Pore Balloon Primer. I can't make a new mark. I've only used this a couple of times. I don't care for it. And I've been trying to use something that will fill in these weird lines in my face. So I'm going to keep using it because I want to finish it. But I don't enjoy it whatsoever. So that's why there's not another mark. It's because it's a chore to use, but goal is to finish it. Pokemon was your favorite Pokemon, and I picked one that looks like a green leaf or whatever. And I brought in this. This is the Pharmacy Green Clean. My goal was to finish. If you watched my March empties, you know that I did. There will be a video coming up soon with me testing this against the Shop Miss A balm. And I think that's coming up in the next couple of days, or maybe it's already happened. I'm not sure. I'm filming ahead, so I don't know when these videos are going to go up. But it's an empty. That's all you need to know. That's all you need to know. Next is actually another empty. This is Miss Cleo, a product that you feel like ripped you off or is a ripoff. I brought in this. This is the It Confidence in a Cream lotion, night cream. Yeah, moisturizer. This is actually really good. So it's not that the product isn't good. It's that it's so flippin' expensive for what it is. So I believe this is the $79 size, and it's only 2 ounces. So it's a little spendy for what it is, but this is empty and it is moving out. Bye-bye. Next, I have the Misha BB cream. This was for cute packaging, and I think I showed you guys the original packaging with the other color. So this is what I'm working on now. There's an air bubble, so it's kind of hard to see, but I think I'm right here. I got a much better color. I really love this as like a base, or if my foundation is looking gross because I've been using that e.l.f. Camo Concealer, I will use a little bit of this to kind of smooth it out a little bit. So I am actually really enjoying this, and this may end up being a repurchase later down the road. It is light to medium coverage. So yeah, but it's lovely. It does have a hint of a scent. It doesn't bother me, but yeah, so keep that in mind. But my goal is to finish it. Next was Baby Teas, a mini product, and I brought in this. This is the NYX Hydrating Jelly Primer. This is a sample of the big one. This is like worth $7 or $8. I panned the big one last year. I think I mentioned that as a skincare item. I mean, this is okay, but it's not revolution or groundbreaking, and it's definitely not worth the price. So that is an empty. Next, we have another empty. It was my for Lisa Frank, which was a colorful product. I just had that little sample of the Bom Dia cream from Sol de Janeiro. I had finished that. Next is Surge, a green product or packaging. I had brought in this. This is the Matrix Biolage Normalizing Clean Reset. I love the smell of these Biolage. It's expensive AF. I bought the liter. I know, but god dang. I just love the smell, and the scent lasts all day. Oh, I love it. Anyway, this was $3.32. The last update is now $2.79. I use this about once a week. It's a clarifying shampoo. I use it to kind of get the build off my hair, and then I follow with a hair mask. So that one is doing that. And finally, we have this. This is the Pharmacy Honey Grail Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. This is very stanky. This is also very hard for it to like absorb. So I have actually started using this as a primer. Specifically when I'm using that kind of cargo really matte foundation. It makes it look beautiful. But I'm currently trying to finish the Flower foundation, which is hydrating and stuff. I have mixed feelings about it, and it was one of my top favorites, but I don't know if my skin has changed, if it's the primer I'm using, I don't know what, but I don't really care for the way it looks. But anyway, my goal is to finish this. So we finished, wait, did I not do this one? Is this, oh no, that's the 80s. So I have finished 1, 2, I'm going to go ahead and roll in 2 new prompts. Again, my numbers are different. Where's my phone? So if I get one that I've already used, I will re-row. So my numbers are 2 through 32, because I'm already working on 33 and 34. So 2 through 32. Maybe I should just pick my own. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that is a mascara. Or you guys don't need to know that yet. 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's not gonna work. 9. That'll work. Okay. Okay, so I got the Simpsons something in yellow product, a yellow product or packaging. I'm bringing in this. This is the MAC Magic Extension Mascara. My goal is going to be to finish him. And the other one's Beanie Baby, a product that reminds you of your favorite Beanie Baby. And I think mine was like Flutterby. It was the butterfly. So I am bringing in this. This is the Vanny Single in Mariposa. I will take an up-close picture of it. My goal is to hit pan. Another eyeshadow. I'm rolling in 2 eyeshadows. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. This is going to be really pretty in the fall and winter time. So I'm glad this is a year-long project. So I can use it when I want to. So let me go ahead and swatch the one from Glamlight again. It is called Dazzling. I'd already hit pan and Decadent in Beauty A to Z. So those are the 2 shadows that are rolling in, and then we're rolling in the mascara. As far as empties next month, I don't know. Maybe the Dream Booster drops. Anything else? Maybe the mascara. Those tend to go really quickly. Those are the only thing I can think of. So, yeah. Yeah, that's it. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. I hope you'll consider subscribing if you haven't already. I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.